So I wanted to come on here today to talk to you about possibly the best beauty box ever. And before you start wondering, no, this is not sponsored. In fact, it's not even a PR sample. I actually bought this from my own money because I wanted to, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. And the box I'm talking to you about is the latest in beauty, the Sunday Times Style Beauty Awards 2018 box. And I have done stuff with latest in beauty before, but this isn't related to that. I wanted to share it with you. And it's basically they have competitions and that kind of thing. I'm just looking at the little flyer that came with it. They've got competitions and things that they're doing, and they are hand-picked products from the Style Beauty Awards, and they are in this box. But you get to choose what goes in it. The price is £25 plus post and packaging, so it works out about £28, I think. But the value of these boxes is amazing. Now, a lot of the products that are the most mind-blowing products, aka a bunch of products from Charlotte Tilbury, full size, may I add, are out of stock now. They've sold out. They did restock a couple of times. I missed it because I was slow and stupid. But I have got some really, really exciting products in my box as well to show you. So, first I'm going to show you the product that actually wasn't in the box because I don't think it would fit. This is the soft powder brush from the Real Techniques Powder Blue collection, which looks like this. Really, really lovely brush, right? Really soft. I haven't actually opened it because I wanted to show you in the video, but you know what? Maybe I'll open it now if I can. Oh, it's going to be one of those. Oh no, it's not hard to get into. Let's have a look at it. It's such a pretty brush. Wow, the colour is so nice. Wow, that is a really, really sexy brush. Look at that. Gorgeous. So, so soft. You could use it for bronzer, a little bit of powder. Ooh, can't wait to use that tomorrow. That is one of the things I picked. Then the box itself looks like this. It comes with a sleeve that's kind of the same print as this from the Sunday Times. And then inside the box, standard kind of shredded paper thing. Then you get to pick 6 products. So that was number 1. Number 2, I picked this face mask from the Body Shop, and it's the Japanese Matcha Tea Pollution Clearing Mask. I haven't tried much from this range from the Body Shop, so I wanted to try this because I do love a good face mask. And this one looked really cool. I really, really like the packaging. I think it looks really nice, really kind of luxurious. And yeah, can't wait to try it. I haven't actually tried it. It smells nice, it smells really fresh. So that was one of those. I'm going to list down below the value of all of these things because I can't remember off the top of my head. But I think that's maybe like £16, something like that. Then, this is a very, very exciting thing. A MAC lipstick. Box is worth it just for this because it's actually a really lovely colour too. So this is the MAC lipstick, and you get the choice of the shade Clouds in My Coffee. It's one of their Lip Tensity lipsticks, which is a formula from them that I do really quite like. I really like the packaging too. And the colour looks like this. It's a nice kind of nudie, mauvey pink type of colour. Really pretty. So that was one of the things I picked. Then I picked this, and to be fair, this is the only thing I'm a bit disappointed in because it's my fault, I didn't research it. I thought it was matte, and it's not. But it's the Trish McAvoy Fast Track Fast Stick in bronze. I thought it was like a matte colour because I don't know, that's what it looked like. The packaging of the actual thing is really pretty, like nice and silver. But it is shimmery. And I'm not going to use that as a bronzer because it is really quite shimmery. What is up with my stupid camera focus? Like, it just does not want to play ball with me, does it? I'll swatch it here for you next to the MAC thing. It'd be pretty like as an eyeshadow. If it's long lasting enough as an eyeshadow, I might wear it like that. But focus! I played with my settings and everything. Yep, there we go, that colour. It's a pretty shimmery colour. It would actually be really, really pretty on the eyes. Maybe shall I put someone out? Well, you're not going to be able to see it with the eyeshadow I've got on anyway, are you? But yeah, that, which Trish McAvoy isn't cheap either, is it? Then I picked 2 nail polish, last but not least, so that was 3, yeah, 4. I picked this one from Essie because I love Essie nail polishes, they're my fave. It is ballet slippers. I've actually got this on my nails right now. So it's this kind of like nice milky white colour. Hello camera. If it want to, no, I don't know, whatever. Basically this colour anyway. I am going to fix these settings because it's annoying, isn't it? Look at that, what is wrong? Is it my fault because I'm holding things too near it? Or it's struggling to focus? I don't know. Anyway, baby pink colour. And then last but not least, again actually this is one I'm slightly disappointed in, because again online it looked like a different colour but I didn't research it enough, and it's the Nail Berry London Oxygenated Nail Lacquer in the shade Pink Tulip, which is actually a really pretty pink springtime colour. It's like, you know, the kind of, let me just tap my screen. There we go. There we go. That was better, wasn't it? Yeah, it's like a nice kind of berry, well, it's not a berry colour, it's like a bubblegum pink, isn't it? I really like the packaging of these nail polishes. I think they're really, really cute. So I'm very much looking forward to trying this. I think it's got quite a nice wide brush as well from what I remember. It has indeed. I really want to try this. When I take this off, I'll put that colour on. But yes, I'm going to link down below where you can get this box, and definitely go and pick up one for yourself. And if you're one of the lucky people that managed to get the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, I'm incredibly jealous because I really wanted that. But yeah, anyway, I thought I'd just give you a heads up about this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you go and get the box as well. Bye.